So do you know how to see the time? If no, then you will come to know how to see the time in the clock. So before that, let me tell you few things. So in a clock, we see 12 big divisions, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here you can see two hands of a clock. So this one is the long hand, which is known as the minute hand. The other one, which is short hand, called hour hand. So this hour hand takes 12 hours to complete one round in a day. Suppose if I start from 9, then see it will be 12 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it makes one round. We know that in one day there are 24 hours. So to complete 24 hours in a day, our clock takes two rounds. First round and then second round. So we know 12 plus 12 is 24. Next come to minute hand. Can you see the small divisions between the numbers? This single division makes 1 minute. Then the second one will make 2. Then third one will make 3 minute, 4 minute. Then this one is 5 minute, 6 minutes. In this manner, there are total 60 divisions are there. 60 small divisions are there. And this minute hand covers the 60 divisions in 1 hour. So now we can say 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So the time gap between any two adjacent numbers is 5 minutes. Suppose between 12 and 1 it is 5 minutes, or between 1 and 2 it's also 5 minutes. Then if I ask that between 12 and 2 how many minutes are there? It is 10. 5 plus 5, it's 10 minutes. I'm going to show you one easy technique for that. So you can easily count the number of minutes by a simple process. So what you need to do is that you will just multiply this number by 5. Suppose 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 4 is 20. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 6 is 30. Then 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Then 5 into 12 is 60. See, here is 60 minutes. Now suppose if I make it in this manner, 12, 3, 6, you will also make the clock in this manner only. First you will write these numbers, the middle numbers, okay? 9, 10, 11. Suppose if I mark it in this manner, so this is the long hand, you can see this is minute hand and this is hour hand. So what is the time? See, we can see our hand is showing 3. So simply we can write like this. 3 and the long hand, that is minute hand, is on 6. Then 5 into 6 is what? 5 6 are 30. That means it is 3:30. Okay. So in the next class we'll read about AM and PM. So before that, practice this much. So what happens when the minute hand is on 12? Suppose this is the minute hand, the long hand is on 12 and here the hour hand is on 3. So when the minute hand is on 12, we write it as o'clock time. So here the hour hand is at 3, so we can write 3 o'clock. We can write like this or like this. So this is the process. Or now suppose if I say that now the hour hand is on 8 and the minute hand is on 12. So again that means it is 8 o'clock, or you can write like this. So simply you can write the time like this.